Hello, everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to conduct a Kendall correlation. So once you have your data in, just simply go to Analyses and Kendall, select the variables. I'll select variables reading 1 and 2, and then hit Calculate. Here we have an introduction which talks about effect sizes, okay, or the importance of the relationship. And here we have an assumption of a monotonic relationship. That is, no curvilinear relationships going on and things of that sort. And then we have our results. Here we can see that there was a significant positive correlation between reading 1 and reading 2 of R.93, which is significant. And here next we see that it's a large effect size. And then here finally is the interpretation, or one interpretation, that as reading 1 increases, reading 2 tends to increase. And then there's our APA 7th edition table. After you're completed, just go to download document and put it into your own voice. And that's how you conduct a Kendall correlation using Intellectus Statistics.